Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start by facing slightly to the right with your arms slightly away from your sides. Hold this pose for the first 2 counts, then when the singing starts, hop in place on your right foot 8 times as you bring your left knee up 8 times, and wave your right hand near your right shoulder twice on the 8th hop. Turn slightly to the left and do this move again, but wave your left hand near your left shoulder on the 8th hop. Put your left fist on your hip and step over to the right with your right foot as you spin your right arm in 2 small counterclockwise circles, then swing your right arm straight up as you shake your hips to the right. Do the same on the left, but spin your left arm in 2 clockwise circles, then slowly move your arms out and down as you shake your hips to the right, right, and left. Repeat all of these movements again. Step in on your right foot as you bring both arms horizontally in front of your chest, then step forward on your left foot, turning slightly to the right, and move your hands out to either side, keeping your elbows bent as you bring your right foot up to meet your left foot. Step over with your left foot so that you turn to the right until your back is to the camera, then put your right hand on your hip and lower your left arm. Step over to the right with your right foot as you extend your left arm straight up, then wave your left arm and shake your hips to the right, and left. Step in on your right foot as you bring both arms horizontally in front of your chest again, then step forward on your left foot, turning slightly to the right as you move both arms straight up, then out and down while you bring your right foot up to meet your left foot. Turn to the right and step over to the left with your left foot so that you are facing the camera again, then repeat counts 3 and 4 of this section. Swing your left arm clockwise as you step over to the right on your right foot, then bring your left arm behind your back as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot while you turn to face the left. Step in place on your right foot, then step out with your left foot, bringing your toes up. Hop slightly to bring your left foot back as you step out with your right foot, bringing your toes up. Hop again to bring your right foot back as you step out with your left foot again. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you turn to face the right, then step in place on your left foot. Step out with your right foot, bringing your toes up, then switch the positions of your feet. Step back to the right and repeat these foot movements, starting with the left foot going out. Step back to the left and repeat these foot movements again, starting with the right foot going out, but bring your right arm horizontally across your chest and rest your left elbow on your right fist as you put your left fist on your cheek and tilt your head to the right, then left. Bring your left foot back as you step forward with your right foot and swing both arms to the left. Bring your left foot up to meet your right foot as you swing your arms up so that your fists are near your shoulders. Step over to the right with your right foot and swing both arms to the left again before bringing your left foot up to meet your right foot and swinging your fists up near your shoulders again. Put your left hand on your hip and bring your right hand up with your index finger extended and your elbow and wrist bent. Then move your right hand down as you lean forward a bit. Move your right hand to the left a bit as you turn slightly to the left, then move your hand up as you stand back up. Step over to the right a bit with your right foot as you swing your right arm in a small counterclockwise circle, then step in place on your left foot so that you are turned slightly to the left, and bend your right elbow to bring your right hand in front of you, curving it into half a heart shape. Repeat this move in the opposite direction and complete the heart, then step in place 4 times, starting on the right foot, as you move your hands toward the camera. While turning to the left, step back to the right with your right foot, then quickly step over to the left with your left foot as you put your left hand behind your back and swing your right arm down and to the right. Step behind your left foot with your right foot as you put your right hand behind your back, then turn to the right and step in place on your left foot, turning your foot so that your toes point to the right. Step out with your right foot, bringing your toes up, then switch the positions of your feet. Hop slightly to bring your left foot back as you step out with your right foot. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you turn to face the left, then step in place on your right foot. Step out with your left foot, bringing your toes up as you move your left arm up with your elbow bent and bend your wrist. Switch the positions of your feet as you move your right arm in the same manner, bringing your right hand higher than your left hand, then quickly bring your left hand above your right hand and move your right foot back as you step out with your left foot. Swing your hands behind your back and keep them there as you repeat the foot movements from the first 4 counts of this section. Bring your right foot back as you step forward with your left foot and swing both arms to the right. Bring your right foot up to meet your left foot as you swing your arms up so that your fists are near your shoulders. Step over to the left with your left foot and swing both arms to the right again before bringing your right foot up to meet your left foot and swinging your fists up near your shoulders again. Repeat the last 6 counts of section 2 of part 2. Hop on your left foot as you kick out to the right with your right foot and punch straight up with both fists, then bring your right foot down and step behind it with your left foot as you lower your arms. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Hop on your left foot and kick out to the right with your right foot again, then bring your right foot down and step behind it with your left foot as you swing both arms out in front of you. Repeat these foot movements in the opposite direction as you pull both fists into your chest. Put your left hand behind your back and twirl your right fist up as you hop on your left foot and kick out to the right with your right foot. Then twirl your right fist down behind your back and look to the right as you bring your right foot down and step behind it with your left foot. Continue to use your right hand as you repeat this move in the opposite direction, but twirl your fist down in front of you and to the left as you look to the left. Repeat both of these moves once again. Step back out with your right foot as you swing your right arm straight up, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you swing your left arm up and hold the back of your right hand with your left hand. Bend your elbows to bring your hands down and to the right as you shake your hips to the right, then move your arms straight up again before repeating this move on the left. Step in place on your right foot as you extend your arms straight out toward the camera with your right arm crossing over your left arm. Then step in place 3 more times as you switch the positions of your arms 3 times. Step over to the right with your right foot as you put your fists on your hips, then step over to the left a bit more with your left foot. Keeping your elbows bent, bring your arms up to the left, then swing them to the right as you shake your hips to the right. Continue shaking your hips in the same direction as your arms as you swing your arms in a clockwise circle, then to the left, then right. Put your left fist on your hip as you shake your hips, swing your right arm and look to the left, then do the same to the right. Repeat the first 4 counts of the full 8 count in section 1 of part 1.